Hello guys and welcome to a new episode of BeamNG Drive. Today's episode we're gonna play BeamNG Drive Carrier Overhauls 2.6.2 if it's okay. Yeah, let's see 2.6.2. Yes, this is the new and the latest update from RLS Carrier Overhaul. I will put a link on the description from GitHub so you can download the mod. It got updated now 4 days ago, and I said, okay, let's try this mod. Alright, we don't have any car, we don't have anything, we have like 10k, and that's kinda old. With this money I think we need to buy a car, if I don't have. Oh, we don't have. Well, we need to buy a car, yeah? Okay, let's see. A used car, probably. We have some money, I think. We can spend. Okay. 9k. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, let's see. From loaner, no. Imported, no. Trusted sale, let's see. This truck can be okay. 200k manual. Right wheels. I don't know. No, there's nothing I want here. Maybe from this one. Holy moly, this is so expensive. Also this one. Oh. Yeah. They are not just expensive, they are very, very expensive. Whoa. Whoa, look at this. Okay. I think we can't afford many things. I mean, I can only afford some cars from here. I don't know. I mean, I don't really want to give all the money I have. Oh, look, this one can be okay. Or some carrier we can carry. Vehicles. Wait, this one. But I don't have any idea. Wait, look. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take something like this. Durham. 4x4. This one can be okay. It's 4x4. Purchase. Negotiate price. I want mission sauté. Submit this offer. Shop to me. 7k. I know, dude. I want. You know what? It's okay. Let's take it. Nah, nice. Insurance. Oh. This one, I think. Or no, this one. Okay. Okay, I bought the vehicle. And it's gonna... Oh, okay. 1 minute to arrive. Okay. Okay, the vehicle arrived. Oh. Ooh. Come on, it looks very good. Damn, look at this. That's very nice. Alright, let's get in the car and let's see how it works. We have a very good car. Fuel injection. Ooh, okay. Okay, looks like everything is okay. I hope. Where do I pop the hood? Or it's not available? Probably it's not because this car it's a mod I have. So, whoa, look. Whoa, I have so many things here. Alright, let's hear the engine. Okay. We can't pop the hood? Well, not really. Well, it doesn't matter. Alright, let's see what we can do. Alright, we gotta be careful. This car is quite strong. It's very long. It's a long sausage. This engine sounds like a V10. Can't lie about that. Okay. We are going to see if we can carry some big packages from Velasco, something like that. Because I have this trailer, yes, and I'm thinking like, oh, maybe I can carry some things. Or maybe not. Oh, we don't have ABS. Well, unlucky. No, brake, 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 brake. Okay, this is the problem of no ABS. Come on, dude. Alright. Let's go to the right. It's right here. Okay. Alright, let's see what if blah, blah, blah. Let's see what we can take. Okay, a cargo screen, okay. What can we take? Oh, nothing. Absolutely nothing very real. Cars? I can't take anything. Okay, let's see this one. Probably I got the wrong vehicle for this kind of stuff. No space enough to load. What do you mean no space? I have just... Wow, I need to install cargo containers. Holy moly, real. Alright, let's see here. Yeah, satellite can take this. Oh. Level 4. Alright, I don't have enough level for this kind of stuff. Well, that's unlucky. Yeah, satellite can't make everything. Like, probably I need to modify this car. Well, I don't have enough money for that. And that only means we have to go back to the garage. Or maybe go and make some... Let's see. Maybe we can make some challenges. So we can get some skill and some money. Because I think these kind of challenges are gonna help me. Alright, let's go. Press start. Oh, alright. Oh, I need to make a time. Okay. Select time attack. Alright. Okay, that's not very hard, I guess. Oh, okay. Okay, this was quite easy. Okay. Well, this car is quite fast, you know. It's a very big and heavy car. And I see the time is quite decent. I don't know what time I have to make. I'm not sure about that. But I think my time is quite okay now. And it's not okay anymore. It was. Let's end it. I don't care. Okay, I have to stop here. Okay. We did it? One. Oh, no way. Let's do it again. I can do it better. I lost time there. A lot of time. I really hope the time is better now. I didn't screw anything. I didn't drift. I didn't do anything stupid. I just drive normally. Come on, I can do it. I think. It is okay? 1:11. Ah, I knew it. And with this kind of courses, I mean, this is like a course, you know? With this kind of courses, you also how to say, you also make experience. Oh no, I crashed the car a little bit. I'm gonna get inside there, dude. Like, there's no way my car fits. Or it fits? I don't think so. Wait, dude! Nah, look at this. Yeah. What am I gonna do now? I don't think so. I'm gonna fit there. Alright? I will. Yes, I will. Oh, dude, I'm so big. I'm such a big sausage. Alright. Let's park the car. Alright, let's do the second one. Oh, look, now we have some cargo. Alright, alright. I think this is the way we can gain some points, oh, and some level, because I need the level. Alright. Let's go. Now I will have to be careful because now the car is way, way heavier. And it's not the same like before. I'm losing control. Okay, just a small tap, it's okay. Alright. I have to be careful, but I also have to be fast. I don't know how I'm gonna do this 2 in 1. I will try my best, you know. I still want 3 stars because it's helping me a lot. And it's giving me some good money. But it's not about money, I mean, I want to make the cargo. Alright. Come on, Trucky, you can do it. Come on, come on. Full gas here. Full gas, full gas, full gas. Engine braking. Okay. I wish I could go full gas here, but I can't. Now I can. Please give me a good score, please. 126. Dude, that was so easy. Okay, gotta collect some money from here. Okay. What else I have? Oh, nothing. Alright, here we are back. I just had to restart the game because it bugged out a little bit, I don't know. Okay, let's do again the challenges because we still need to keep going with the money. And of course with the missions. Because, you know, we need this kind of rewards. And yeah. Alright, let's start. Of course, guys, if you got here, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe, of course. If you like this kind of series, this kind of episodes. Oh, wait, I need to arrive somewhere. Well, okay. Where do I need? There? Okay. Let's do it. 3 kilometers. It's not much, but this car isn't fast. Now I'm gonna cut the road because I know how to play BeamNG. Why would I keep going on the road? I'm just losing time. Now I just win time. Okay. Full gas, 3rd gear. Perfect. Now we have to take a left here. Oh, we are gonna take it now. Okay. Here we are on the road. The car is very, very wobbly and heavy. We have 1.8 kilometers. Well, it's not much. The car is quite fast. It's kinda wobbly and unstable and stuff like that, but I think we can reach it in time. I don't remember what time I had to beat, like 150 or something like that. 1 minute and 50 seconds. I mean, it's a lot. It's a lot of time I have to beat. Like, I need to be very fast. Third gear. Brake, second gear. Brake, 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 brake. Corner. Alright. That's fast. That was fast. Slowly, slowly. Alright. Do I need to get here? Well, I think yes. Oh wait, I need to go there. Oh man. Alright. 2 minutes 35. Wow, okay, I got here with 5 seconds faster. Well, that's very good. I mean, I think if I was going and following the road, probably I was not here very fast. Well, it's okay. Okay, let's get some milestones. Okay. Whatever, career paths. Okay, nothing more here. Let's check how much money do I have. I'm curious about that. We have 40k. Well, that's not bad. That's not bad. Yeah, look at the engine. It's 8.5 liters V10. That's why it sounded like a V10. Maybe yes. Alright. Whoa. Okay. That's all the things I need to put on the car for cargo. Cargo. How is the cargo box? Oh, like this. Or if I remove it, it is like this. And this? Hell no, it's too expensive, dude. Well, sadly, I can't transform this into a truck, so I will transform it to a cargo box, probably. Leave cargo box, blah blah blah. Alright, I paid all my money for this, so I hope it's worth. Let's see if it's working. But of course, guys, we're gonna see this on the next episode. Don't forget, if you like this episode, to press the like button, subscribe, and of course I see you next time. Bye bye.